Hello students. Today we are going to start the poem Dryden's poem Alexander Feast. Stanza number 3rd, line number 38. The praise of workers, then the sweet musician sung, of Bacchus ever fair and ever young. In this stanza, Timotheus is singing in praise of Bacchus, the god of wine. He is always beautiful and young. The jolly god in triumph comes. He is mirthful, happy god. He is also a god of war. Sound the trumpet, beat the drums. Timotheus imagines that he is coming after gaining victory over the foes. He is purple in color. He is looking glorious. Flushed with a purple grace, he shows his honest face. Now give the hoboy breath, he comes, Bacchus ever fair and young. The musician asks the audience to sound the trumpet beat, the drums, and blow the hautboys to welcome Bacchus. Hearing this song, drinking joys did first ordain, Bacchus' blessing are a treasure, drinking is the soldier's pleasure. It is the treasure, sweet the pleasure, sweet is pleasure after pain. Hearing this song, Alexander asked his generals to drink wine. He said that drinking was Bacchus' blessing to mankind. It was a treasure of happiness. Drinking is the soldier's source of pleasure. After the war, drinking wine gives special pleasure. Pleasure is always sweeter after pain. So, the soldiers feel great joy when they drink after coming from war. Next stanza, soothed with the sound, the king grew vain, fought all battles over, fought all battles, all his battles over again. In this stanza, the poet says that soothed with the sound, the king grew vain. Hearing the song in praise of Bacchus, the god of wine and war, Alexander was filled with feeling of pride. Fought all his battles over again. Alexander, in his imagination, he fought over the battle thrice, and thrice he routed all his foes, and thrice he slew the slain. He defeated and slew the already slain soldiers 3 times. It means that he was highly intoxicated and was repeating one thing again and again. Thus, the war song had a terrible effect on Alexander. The master saw the master saw the madness rise, his glowing cheeks, his urgent eyes, and while he heaven and earth defied, he was mad with pride and fury. His cheeks became red and his eyes fiery. He was ready to challenge all the powers of earth and heaven. When the master musician Timotheus saw Alexander's state of mind, he wanted to change it. Changed his hand and checked his pride. He chose a mournful muse, soft pity to infuse. He sung Darius great and God good. By too severe a fate, fallen, 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 fallen from his high estate. When the master musician Timotheus saw Alexander's state of mind, he wanted to change it. He sang a sad song to inspire soft feeling of pity in his mind. He sang the sad story of Darius II. Darius II was a great and good king. He was defeated by Alexander. All his soldiers were killed. He himself was also slain in the battlefield. His body was covered with his own blood, and weltering in his blood, deserted at his utmost need by those his former bounty fed. On the bare earth exposed he lies, with not a friend to close his eyes. His body was covered with his own blood. He lay naked on the bare earth in the battlefield. He had no one to close his eyes at the time of death. It was a custom in the ancient days that a near relative closed the eyes of the dying man. There was none near Darius II to do this act. With downcast looks, the joyless victor state revolving in his altered soul, the various turns of chance below, and now and then a sigh he stole, and tears began to flow. Hearing this song, Alexander's mind changed. His pride was gone, he became sad. The glow of his cheeks and the fire of his eyes vanished. His eyes were downcast. He began to ponder over the irony of fate with man on this earth. He was so much filled with pity at the fate of Darius II that he began to sigh. Tears of pity began to flow from his eyes. Okay, next stanza, next video में. Thank you.